In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a Udemy instructor on desktop. First, a quick heads up about how Udemy works. Unlike social media platforms, Udemy doesn't offer a universal follow button for instructors. There isn't a platform-wide feature that sends you notifications every time an instructor releases a new course. Instead, the best way to stay connected is by visiting the instructor's public profile and, when available, following their external links, such as their website or social media. I'll walk you through exactly how to find that from a course page on desktop. Start by opening the course taught by the instructor you're interested in. On the course page, make sure you're on the Overview tab. This is usually the default tab, and it's where Udemy shows the main details about the course. Now scroll down until you reach the section that highlights the instructor. If a course has more than one instructor, you'll see each instructor listed separately here. Click the instructor's name or profile photo to open their public profile. This takes you to a page dedicated to that instructor's work on Udemy. On the profile, you'll typically see their bio, a short introduction to their background or teaching style, and, most importantly, a list of all the courses they teach. This is a great way to explore their catalog in one place and see what else they offer. Next, look to the side of the profile. Depending on your screen size and Udemy's current layout, this may appear on the right or left. Near the area where you might see a Send Message option, check for external links. These could include a personal website, YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Twitter, or other social platforms. Not every instructor includes these, but when they do, this is your best route to follow them outside Udemy and stay informed about broader updates, announcements, or new content they share. Keep in mind that external links are optional and may vary by instructor. If you don't see any, it simply means the instructor hasn't added them to their profile. In that case, their Udemy profile still serves as a central hub to view all the courses they teach, and you can always revisit the profile from any of their course pages. That's all there is to it. While Udemy doesn't have a native follow feature for instructors, using the instructor's profile and their external links gives you a practical way to keep up with their work and any news they share beyond Udemy.